In this video, I'll be showing you how to record Roblox with OBS. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using, whether you're on like a PC, laptop, or anything like that. So you can do this on the application version or the browser version too. I'll be showing you both methods. So what you want to do is, of course, open up your Roblox player, and then if you haven't got OBS downloaded already, make sure to download that. So you just want to go over to your browser of choice and then type in OBS, and you're going to see this download button right here. Click on it and then choose whatever you're on, whether you're on Windows, Apple, or Linux, and just download the installer. Now, once you go ahead and do that, you just want to make sure Roblox is open, and it's going to look something like this. So now when you have it open, you just want to make a scene. You can call it whatever you want, like Roblox, for example. And then to capture Roblox, all you want to do is press this plus icon, and then you want to go ahead and find game capture. Go ahead and click on that, call it whatever you want, and then you want to capture a specific window. Now this window, you want to go ahead and find Roblox, go ahead and click on it, and then you're going to want to go ahead and press OK. And then where basically whenever Roblox is open, as you can see, it's always going to show right there. And what you can also do if that's not working for you, then you can just use a display capture. So what you want to go ahead and do, press this plus icon, press display capture, press OK, and then you can just choose whichever monitor you want. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.